All right, good morning. It is 8:45, June 16th. This is Wednesday. Today Wednesday? Is today Wednesday?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Heading out. Had a long 14-mile day and big climb right at the end. We got 10 miles relatively smooth. And then a big climb right at the end of the day to Chestnut Knob Shelter. The quarterway in hostel was outstanding. It has been my most memorable and most enjoyable night on trail. And I just have been moved and touched in so many ways in the last 2-3 days. And yeah, pretty tired, a little achy in the legs today. Not really excited to be walking today, but you gotta keep moving, you gotta keep going forward. And I think we got about 3 days in the woods before there's a place to get out again, so I'm looking forward to it. These guys up here, tell you what a great family to have on trail. Miss Rita taking care of us with support, and I can't say enough. Tina at Quarterway Inn Hostel, that is an amazing woman, and a great place to stay if you're through hiking. So I'll get on up the trail here and I'll check back with y'all in a little bit. Keep stepping off the side of this thing. An old farm. This is terrible. Alright. The next 10 miles, the Appalachian Trail travels through a narrow corridor that includes scenic tread right-of-way easements through private property, use outside the trail tread. In these easement areas requires written permission of the landowner. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna climb on top of this home and then on the other side a giant ladder.
Jacob's ladder.
I wonder if I took my pack off if I could go under there.
Go ahead, try.
Oh, you're gonna go under the fence?
No, I'm just saying you could technically.
Oh, yeah. I will not be. That will be skipping this blaze right here. That will be skipping this blaze. What does it say here?
Goddamn obstacle course.
What is the... Alrighty.
I gotta pull my pants up.
Yeah.
Nothing stays anymore.
I'll censor it. Yeah, I'll censor it out, Frosty.
Jesus Christ. This is kind of scary, actually. You need to get your pulse.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
I'm gonna look all impressive climbing over this with a camera.
At least it's recording. We can show the hospital.
Yeah, this is what happened.
Exactly.
All right. Piece of cake. Can you see this house from over here?
Yeah. Hold my pulse for 2 seconds. I'm gonna... a new pair on Amazon. The same ones, but smaller.
We are at Darth Mall Shelter. Darth Not Mall Shelter. May the force walk with you. We will continue walking. If we go over this cliff and through those trees, we can shave time off, but we're gonna go on the trail. We don't want any more violations.
Whole barrel of violation.
Alright, so here we go. We're about 3.4 miles from Lick Creek, where we have to ford the river. It'll be the first time that we have to ford a river. And it'll be interesting, and it'll be kind of cool. I'm looking forward to it. So I'll be filming all of that. And hope y'all enjoy. We'll see you in a bit. A cool little mossy bridge. This is crazy. Alright everybody, we have reached Lick Creek. You can see the bridge is out across here. Gonna cross the river. Just up around here is a better place to cross, but it looks really nice. I'm definitely pretty tired today. It's 1:40. We've gone 8.5 miles. Just under 5 hours, so a little slow today, but it's been tough go. Water's pretty low, maybe knee deep. So, yep. Sit here a minute, get my sandals on, wait for the guys to cross, and we'll check back with you. Yeah, it has the thing to drag your pack across if the water was
Super high.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me know if anything falls out.
Hmm?
Let me know if anything falls out.
Hey guys, I'm almost up to the top here. It's a little pond over here. There's supposed to be a spring, and then I have a good view out there. I have about another 2 miles to go to get to Chestnut Knob shelter. So there's some water's down here, so I'm gonna drop my pack here, go down and get water. I'm not gonna carry my pack down there. Hopefully I'm not getting it out of that pond, but anyway, regardless, it's been a really tough day climbing. I'm exhausted. Just looking forward to getting down to camp up here and getting some food and going to sleep. And get some water. I'll check back with y'all. Alright, I don't know where it is. Up this way. Chester Knob Shelter. Chestnut Knob Shelter, something like that. Look at this view. Amazing. I'm beat. I'm ready to chill, sit down, relax. We just over 15 miles today. Lots of uphill, lots of climb. But yep, I'll check back with you when I get up here close to the shelter. See you in a bit. Everybody. Whew. Holy crap. What a day. Chestnut Knob Shelter. Alright. talk to y'all in a little while. Check it out, everybody. Look at this view. Wow. It's totally worth coming up here. Well, I had to come up here anyway, but now I gotta find me a spot that's kind of flat. Pitch a tent. I think it's gonna be right here. Yep, right here. Tent's going right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna get set up and I'll holler at y'all after a bit. Just a quick look at the sky tonight. Shelter up there, sun's setting. Should have a sunset in the morning or sunrise in the morning over here. Should be nice. But alright, it's pretty chilly. I'm gonna head into the tent, get warm, get some sleep. We'll see y'all in the morning.